它就是您可以一个旅人出去外面住宿，然后可以带您自己最心爱的一本书跟我们做交换。那我们这本书就是前一个旅人他留下来的他最喜欢的书，那您可以得到就是他觉得他最精华想要学习的东西的一本书，然后他会在这个字条里面就是留下他想跟你讲的话。那当然你也可以再写一个字条给下一位，然后就是留你想要让下一位学习的东西。那今天你要拿哪一本书跟我们交换
？This idea because when I travel to Italy, the next cafe is on me. This is a project in Italy cafe, and I have enjoyed the very good cafe there because my previous customer they paid for me already. So I really like this idea, and especially I really like reading. So I brought the two books here. Because I like the dream, because now I do the dreaming job as I am, because I combine the travel and living together as I find here my channel, and this is my dream before. I want to share with your Brio Hotel. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm going to write something for the next guests at Brio Hotel. When they check in, they can share my book. So I'm going to write something for these lucky guests. This little card prepared from the Brio Hotel. Hope your dream will come true to sign my book. Enjoying the hotel here. Okay, I finished my wishes card for the next guests now. Okay, voila. Thank you so much.
那我们这次入住的参加这个交换书的活动啊，我们会赠送我们的下午茶券，或是我们的 Club 餐酒馆的酒吧宵夜时段的券。对，2张，您想要哪一张呢
？I think I will choose the afternoon tea, the coupon.
Okay, is it?
Thank you so much. This is my exchanging books, and I got the afternoon tea coupon from the Brio Hotel. This is very cool from the actually bookstore. It's a very special bookstore in Taiwan. If people come to Taiwan, they like to go to Asset bookstore. And this book is so cool, very colorful. I love it. Everything in English and very design thing, just like a design hotel at a Brio Hotel. It's changing the books. So if you want to travel with the books can travel to many places if you want. So there is a project from the Brio Hotel. And if you want to travel in Taiwan, bring your books and share to other people. You can sharing make your dream become bigger. So. Voila, let's attack country. We ordered from the Brio Hotel. It's very special afternoon tea only found here. This is the one I ordered. It's a Zen afternoon tea. It's like a stone, but it's not really stone. It's very spicy inside. And this one is called Awesome. It looks like a leaf. Very special one. And this is the drink we ordered, Dr. Kiwi. And cheers.
Brio Hotel, welcome.
Hello, welcome back to Find Here channel. We are in Kaohsiung, but we can travel by food. And here is the Lookout. The restaurant is on the rooftop of the Brio Hotel tonight. So you and me, we are going to try the new menu today. And this one is called green bamboo shoots. Voila! This is something from Taiwan, also something from Canada. You can enjoy the food with ingredients. Let's try this one. Bamboo. So appetit for you. We try the new menu. We are going to try the second new starter. This one, the king crab feet. And they have something mousse with potato mousse. It's very special. And look at the crab feet. So beautiful. You will love it. And we are going to try something together. Bon appetit. We cannot travel due to the pandemic, but we can travel by food. Something from Spain. This one is saffron seafood. risotto, you will love it. And this is very good ingredients from Taiwan, also from Japan. Look at that! Wow! Bon appetit! We can travel to Spain now. Now we are going to try the second new main courses, and this is a very special meal I really want to try because this one is called Panamanian fish with potato scallop, and this is a water lotus only in Kaohsiung from Taiwan, and we are in Kaohsiung right now, so we can try the local food here. You will love this one, water lotus, and this is special only from Taiwan. Let's go to try this one. Bon appetit! Here with me. Now we are at the Brio Hotel rooftop restaurant called Lookout, and of course you can look out outside from the Central Park, and it's a really big view, and it's the Central Park here, and we have a very special breakfast, Chinese one breakfast, very special style with a congee, and there are a lot of soda dishes, and we also got a very special very classic house breakfast. It's a Western style, so you got the fruit salad and artisan bread and dessert. And we also have the very special from the chef, and the chef prepared the ham egg benedict, very special one here. And also we have the soda seafood with the scrambled egg. It's a very special one. Bon appetit! Welcome back to Find Here channel. We just had a very big breakfast at the rooftop of the Brio Hotel. And this is restaurant Lookout restaurant from the chef. They prepare very special Western style and the Chinese style breakfast. I eat like a pig, and after I come back to Taiwan, I gained like 10 pounds already. I cannot believe I eat just like a happy Buddha right now. If I go back to Canada, my husband cannot recognize me, so I need to do somewhere. And luckily, this hotel, they prepare the yoga pads and the wets for me. And I'm going to do some yoga and drink more water. And because outside is a Central Park, I also want to go to have a look and walking a lot. And maybe I can eat more later because they prepared afternoon tea and a nice snack. So from the morning breakfast, afternoon tea, and a night snack, 3 meals including your room rent. So full hotel, and I can enjoy a lot of food from Taiwan and Kaohsiung.
先给您。
What is the checkout time?
checkout 时间是中午的12点。
Thank you so much. Okay, let's go.
那这边跟您介绍一下我们2楼整个大厅的空间哦。
好。首
先，你现在进入就是一开始到我们柜台看到这个柜台啊，如果拉远一点看的话，它其实是设计成一只金鱼哦。
Kaohsiung Harbor is harbor city here, so they can sail out to the Taiwan.
这个风格就是漂流宇宙。这边我们比欧住宿绝对不会饿到肚子，我们2楼都有提供免费的点心吧跟宵夜吧。那分别有3个时段，在这边都有做标示，分别是早上9点半到12点半，然后下午4点到7点，以及我们晚上宵夜吧是9点半到12点半。
Wow, that's cool. You came to Brio Hotel. You can check in here. They're starting with the gourmet dessert bar and the 9:30 to 12:30. You don't have to need to go out for lunch now. And after that, you have the 12 p.m. to 7 p.m. for afternoon tea, and also nice snack bar if you want to have a nice snack. They have the 9:30 on here midnight 30. Wow, this is very local hotel. You can prepare everything on the local food here. A tour of the hotel facility right now. Wow, that's cool. You even have a different time in the different country, right? London from UK, New York from USA, Shanghai from China, and Kaohsiung from Taiwan.
Yes.
And this is so cool, the keyboard here. It's like a very old traditional. I really like it. Hello, welcome back to Find Here channel. Guess where we are right now? We are in Kaohsiung Brio Hotel. Let's go unboxing the room tour here. Let's go with me. 506. And put your thing inside that. Done. Wow, the room tour is so beautiful. So welcome back to my room for tonight. Okay, they even prepared the flower for me. This is forever flower for Happy Valentine's Day, white Valentine's Day. And they prepared the brew because find here logo is brew. So this is for you and for me. They even write a little card for me. Wow, so soulful hotel. I really feel welcome home right now. Welcome. Wow, so cool. Wow, very luxury, very comfortable shoes, and with very high quality and comfortable shoes. Welcome home to me. I like it a lot. So let's go unboxing other facilities here. Oh my god, this is cool. For the goddess, you need this. When you do the makeup, you need this light. Bar, mini bar here, because I love coffee a lot. So they even have pour over coffee. It's wine kettle, this very good one. And look at the kettle here. Cool. And the mini bar here, everything you drink here is free. So let's go checking what I have here. Wow, oh my goodness. They even prepare the mask. The mask is very important for goddess. They prepare this one, this night mask. Wow, so far for the hotel. Usually the hotel doesn't prepare this thing. And they have everything for drinks, for the soft drinks you want to drink. That's all free here. And let's go checking what they have for the drinks. Let's open here. Wow, they are so cool. Because I'm the coffee magazine columnist, so I'm the writer for that. They have prepared this so meaty thing, and the tea. The Taiwanese tea, the oolong tea, and also very good one, the jasmine tea. And this is also free for the guests. This is my memory from my childhood. It's so cool. I really like this one. Even they prepared this thing for your cutlery, the knife and the fork, everything. They prepare a really nice one. So cool. So every level they have a 6 room, and only the number 6 they have the best star here. And this is the biggest room at every level. We have a little best star here and the lookout terrace here. So this is very special room type if you want to have a best star and the little terrace. And even prepare the best soap here. This is from France. So Basca Mori Pito. So cool. Even prepare this best soap for you. So soulful hotel. And also after having box, you have a lotion here for the body lotion. So cool. And we can check in what they have here. Prepare the shower gel and the shampoo, hair conditioner. They even prepare the soap. And what else there? If you want to, you cannot finish the soap. They even prepare the bag for you. You can bring home. So this is the stationary bag for you to prepare for your soap here. So it's very cool. And what they have here, they have a toothbrush for 2, and the shower cap and the combs. I even have the floss and the teeth in with this one. This one's so cool. They even prepare the teeth brush, so special. They even don't have this one for the hotel. Usually they only have the Q-tip, like this thing. So this is a very soulful hotel. They prepare everything. And also if you are a man, they even prepare this for you, the razor. So 904。
它整体提供的设计的话是以羽毛跟这个钢铁来做一个装饰，它也是我们这边旅客最多人喜欢的一种